So Butler is back, and I am not speaking about Craig Butler. Yes, I'm speaking about the son, Kyle Butler, back on the pitch. What should we expect from the youngster or the young Butler coming in the upcoming Jamaica Premier League season? Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. I'm telling you, say, this season and the Jamaica Premier League should be, shall be, will be one of the most exciting seasons ever. If you haven't watched the Jamaica Premier League, if you don't believe in the Jamaica Premier League, if you don't like the Jamaica Premier League, if you disregard the Jamaica Premier League, this season is not the season you should do so. This season is a season that you should tune in with a fine teeth comb and come and watch. You must watch the league this season because we are expected something epic, never seen before. So much transfers happening, so much things happening in the league, and I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. No, I know you're going to have the persons who are going to say that, boy, I don't like watch the Jamaica Premier League, this, that, rated. Hey, dash it that. Dash that backside way. Dash it that. This is not the time for that, yeah? Come for some entertainment. Craig Butler, Kyle Butler. What more you want? What more you want? Anyways, before me touch on that, let's get into the YouTube stuff. Please do, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm very, very much appreciated that you guys are here spending the 10, 9, or 8 minutes out of your busy schedule to come and watch this video. You didn't have to. You most definitely didn't have to. And you are here. And since you are here, I thoroughly, 100% appreciate it. The easiest way to help us is by hitting that like button. You can also support us by becoming a patron, becoming a member of the channel, and also supporting us on and buying us a coffee. The link is in the comment section and also in the description, most definitely. And also you can support us through the PayPal, no problem at all. If not, we have no issues here. Just hit the like button and subscribe if you're here for the first time. Anyways, first of all, I want to speak about a player that many persons are talking about in recent time, but not only that, is that the quality of the type of player that the senior team is missing. No, I am not saying that we should bring this player into the senior team. I'm just saying that he has the qualities that we are lacking. I'm not saying that he's up to the level. I'm not saying that he's better than what we have. I'm saying he has the characteristics or the character or the technical skill set or the things that we need in the senior team. Now, he's playing at a lower level, so that could be a factor. But the things that we're seeing at a lower level are the things that we want to see in the senior team. And that player is Tyreek Magee. In recent time, in the past couple of weeks, Tyreek Magee has most definitely transformed himself into the player that we all knew or all know of the potential that he has. Now, at Colorado Switchback, he has been playing so well in the recent times. And I'm watching the games. I'm like, these are the skill set that we really need in the senior team. Can we find a player of high level to provide these specific skill set that we want? Those line-breaking passes in the final third. Those silky smooth touch and move in the attacking third. Those receive and turn in the half spaces that Tyreek Magee provides. We don't have that in the senior team. And I'm not saying I'm here advocating for Tyreek Magee to be in the senior team, but what I'm saying for sure is he has found himself. He has definitely gotten back on track with the Tyreek Magee and the quality that we know he possessed. Now, we will find people coming in the comment section that, hey, this is another schoolboy footballer who rated it such and such. Fine. We understand that things never kicked off for the player. That's just how football is. Not everyone things will run smoothly for. Not everyone will be breaking down the doors of big clubs. That's just how football is. But I have to be honest when I say it, he has most definitely found back himself where he's at, and that is a good improvement. As long as he consistently work on this, get better, improve himself, and hopefully he can portray that at a higher level, then we can say, no, we want to see you back here at the senior level. Because I do believe that most persons will not accept him solely because of the league that he is playing. That's just how most of the fans supporters are. But I do believe that what I'm seeing from Tyreek Magee right now is something that we lack in the senior team. Hopefully McLaren and his recruiting department can find players to provide that. Most definitely. We have a lot of players who potentially can play for us, who has this skill set. Players like Omari Hutchinson, Ravel Morrison, and more. There are more. These players have the skill set. But the big question is, will we see these players in a senior setup? We don't know. That is where the question mark lies. So, Tyreek Magee, continue to do what you're doing. We are seeing what's happening. And as soon as, hopefully opportunity pops up where you can get another shot, and we'll see how that one progresses. But for now, just go and do the good work, and let's see how that one will matriculate. Anyways, let's go. Here we go. Transfer saga in the Jamaica Premier League. Former National U23 player and KRC Genk Academy graduate, 26-year-old Kyle Butler will be playing for Vere Phoenix United this season in the Jamaica Premier League, according to Craig Butler. He's training. He's looking to get back on the front foot, playing some football consistently. Kyle Butler played professionally in Europe for 9 years, representing clubs such as Genk, Westerlo, Belgium, St. Andrews FC in Malta, Las Juniors, and SC Austria, Lustinia in Austria. Since then, he has been out of the game physically and ventured into the entrepreneurship successfully. He has also spent his last few years coaching at the Phoenix Academy. He's also assistant coach at the Mona High School Manning Cup team, who they won the Manning Cup last season. With the merger of the Phoenix Football Academy and the Jamaica Premier League club Vere United, becoming Vere Phoenix United, he has decided that now is the right time to return to the game as a player. The midfielder will be playing football for the first time since he last played in Austria during the 2019-2020 season for SC Austria Lustinia. For the national team, he has also had one substitute appearance, which he made of the U23 team that failed to qualify for the Olympic Games back in 2019. So, people, Craig Butler is bringing Kyle Butler back into it. Kyle Butler certainly want to get back on track where football is concerned. Only 26, we most definitely will see what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you people, this season in the Jamaica Premier League will be one of the most interesting and possible one of the most watched season in the Jamaica Premier League. It's most definitely an interesting one. As I said, if you're not interested, get interested now. Things are happening, crazy things are happening, people, and I'm telling you, it is for the entertainment of the sport. And I'm interested to see what's gonna happen here. Now, last time I saw him, he had on a bit of weight. Let's see if he shred that weight, fully fit, back on track, gunning, and I'll be there. If he get man of the match, guess who will be interviewing Kyle Butler? Maybe run away. Just say go. We don't know. But it's just a part of the game. People, this one is most definitely interesting. Pick up on yourself, people. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And I'm telling you, this is fantastic news. quite an interesting thing happening in the Jamaica Premier League. Pick up on yourself, people. Smash like button, hit subscribe button. Squad announcement will be today. So big up on yourself for that. And I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV, people. And we are happy. And let me tell you something. I'll be honest, people. I had a little shot of something. So the excitement I come from that. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. Now, out and sure. Better than about.